To start using your XD Teacher microphone, begin by linking your microphone. With the microphone off, press the link button on the front of the amplifier, or press the link button on the side of the beam. Press and hold the record button on the microphone, then press and hold the power button until the microphone is linked. The link light will change from a blinking yellow light to a solid green light when successful. Successful microphone linking will produce a beep from all systems, and classroom amplifiers will show a green light. If the light begins blinking red, the microphone is not linked. Turn the microphone off, then restart the linking process. Let's talk about the XD Teacher microphone lights, beginning with the battery light. When the battery light is solid green, this indicates the microphone is powered on. When the battery light is blinking red, this indicates that the microphone is charging. To charge the microphone, plug the USB-C cable to the charging port on the side of the microphone. The microphone will never overcharge, so it is good practice to charge the microphone overnight at the end of each day. Once the battery light turns to a solid red color, the microphone is fully charged. The link light indicates whether or not the microphone is linked to the audio system. A solid green light indicates the microphone is linked. A blinking yellow light indicates the microphone is in the process of linking. A blinking red light indicates the microphone is not linked to an audio system. A solid red light indicates there is a safe alert. The lights at the top of the microphone indicate which audio source you would like to control. Using the up and down arrow, you can adjust the volume of that audio source. Press the select button to switch between each audio source. The ON light indicates you are controlling the XD Teacher microphone you are currently using. The other light indicates you are controlling a different audio source, such as a student microphone. The CH3 light indicates you are controlling another additional audio source if a third audio source is present on the system.